Hey, what's up guys? It's Chuck from Brady Adventures, and today I've got a short little video for you on this product that I found while I was poking around on Reddit, looking for little things, little modifications, things people had done to their Integras, and this is a Yi pin, definitely a reputable brand, Integra console tray, and it's for 2023 through 25 Acura Integras and 2022 through 2025 Civic Si armrest tray console insert tray. All right, so let's check it out. Now, if any of you own one of these vehicles, you know that center console area, it's just like a deep cavernous expanse. Things get lost in there. I just got all kinds of stuff piled in there. So when I saw the picture of this online, I thought it was pretty cool. Like it might be pretty nice. All right. So it's a little tray. It's got a little spot for change, kind of a little small area and a larger area. It's fairly shallow, and it comes with these very like sticky rubber pads that go in here. There were a number of different colors, and the different colors just were the outlines of these rubber pads. So there was like red and blue and white, so you could kind of get something to match your interior, but I just went for the all black. All right, let's go see what this does for us in the vehicle. All right, so let's go see how this thing works inside the vehicle. Little tray. All right, here's my cavernous center console. Some USB cord, a bunch of pencils and pens, a knife, a buck, headache meds, a couple rocks, a shell. There you have it. You know, it's pretty deep and stuff kind of gets lost in there. And it just so happens, just yesterday, I was watching another video on the Integra and they pointed out an Easter egg. And I know Hondas usually have a few Easter eggs in them, and I didn't know about this one, so let's take a look. And on the back of this little rubber pad that goes down in there, a little picture of an original Civic. That's super cool. It says Honda on it. It says the Civic history goes on. Matte console box. If you guys can see that, it's pretty cool. It's a little exploded view of the Civic. That's awesome. Alright, let's get back to business and see how this tray works. See if it's worth the price here. So, just kind of sits in here, I think. It's got a little lip that holds the two edges. Let's make sure this still closes good. Gives you that shallow tray where you can kind of reach the things you might want to get to, but you can still kind of reach in here and grab it out easily and get to the things underneath. So maybe your longer term storage or your bigger items like this gum and some of these pens and pencils and USB cord. I'm just going to stick all that down there. There you go. I think that's pretty cool. It was a little bit pricey at $18, but I really like it. That's a really nice feature. Probably something that should have came from the factory. So I'm definitely going to stick with it. I'll put a link to this tray in the description below. And I'm pretty new to this Integra, so if there's any other cool little ideas that you guys have, please put them in the comments and let me know. I'd love to check them out and kind of improve this thing in whatever way that I can. I'm having a good time kind of doing little modifications and stuff. I got a ton of videos coming that I think you guys are going to like. And if you enjoy the video, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for alerts, and let us know what you'd like to see in the future. And thanks a lot for watching. Take it easy.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. And always feel free to leave us any comments or questions that you might have.